Imagine what it would feel like to be a survivor of sex trafficking, having been exploited for years, used and abused. To come across this piece of property and be able to be welcomed into a place where you can receive help and healing. Now imagine, how would it feel to walk up a path where you see messages of hope and names of people who are supporting you in this community? This is what we want to offer our survivors here at the Harbor. We want them to come off the streets, see these names, see these messages, and know that they are loved and cared for, and this is a place full of people they can trust. Would you be a part of that? Would you be a part of placing a brick along this path of hope? By becoming one of our lamplighters and partnering with us at either $100 a month or more, or by giving a one-time gift of $1,000 or more, you can have one of these bricks as well. You can engrave it with your name, your business, or even a special message for our survivors to read.